Dr. Hadley King. I'm a board-certified dermatologist practicing in New York City, and I'm a consulting dermatologist for Butter London. Butter London's So Buff is an exfoliator for the body. It's great for hands, feet, and other areas of the body, like keratosis pilaris on the upper arms. It contains glycolic acid, which is a chemical exfoliant, and apricot seed powder, which is a physical exfoliant. The base contains humectants and emollients, which is important because it helps to hydrate and support the skin barrier while you're exfoliating. It can be used with light pressure to help slough off dead skin on the hands, feet, elbows, and knees, and it can also be used to help smooth the skin in rough areas like keratosis pilaris, which is often found on the upper arms. Exfoliation is the key to glowing skin, and this is a great product to exfoliate gently while supporting the skin barrier at the same time.